welcome to the Two-Tie Timmy Show with your host, me, Two-Tie Timmy. Unless you're dyslexic, then it's Timmy Two-Tie. Folks, well, you could join me today, and I feel you won't be disappointed. For today, I'm going to teach you how to put flea and tick spray on. You're out here in the woods and you're working, and the fleas and the ticks are bad. So you grab your favorite can of spray, bug spray. Mine's this brand because I stole it off my friend's countertop. And it's always better when it's free. Ticks and chiggers like tight places, so you got to spray in all the tight places. You got to put a little under the arm, see what I'm saying? A little like that. You got to spray some down here because you don't want no ticks and chiggers on your nads, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you spray a little bit down your butt crack. Make sure you get around your sock area. A little more down there, I gotta protect them jewels, you know. That is how you apply bug spray. Ow! Ooh. If you'll excuse me, I gotta go to work, okay? I'll talk to you later.